Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Let's take a look at installing a channel drain in a stamped concrete drive.
Today we are going to install a channel drain inside of a stamped concrete driveway. As you can see, there's already a catch basin here, but the water always ends up on this side of the drive. So the homeowners decided to put the channel drain in and enlarge the driveway at the same time. So let's get right to it. We start by using our partner saw and cutting out the section across the drive where we're going to install our 5-inch channel drain. We've speeded up the video a bit so we can get through this for you. It takes a little while to cut through the concrete, but the partner saw does a really great job, and once it's cut, we'll break this out. Then the driveway contractor, Jose, will bring his crew in and break out the remaining concrete, and then also set the forms to pour a new 2-car driveway. Working on a job site with several crews gets to be a little bit tense. A lot of people doing a lot of things, but if you stay focused on what you're doing, things progress pretty nicely. Here's our trench for our discharge of that channel drain. We've also hooked up the downspouts from the house to this line, which will discharge around the back into a sump pump, which will go to the street. Okay, the driveway contractor has framed for the 2-car driveway and broke out his excess concrete, and that's ready to pour. So we've went ahead and installed our channel drain across the center of the drive, leaving about a foot on both sides for aesthetics. And you can see that we've covered the channel drain with some blue tape so that when they pour their concrete, it does not mess up our grade at all. And here's the finished product. Jose's contractors did a great job. You can see that the new stamped concrete matches up very nicely with the original stamped concrete. It's sloped well into our channel drain, and here you have new channel drain installed across a stamped concrete drive. We'd like to give credit to Jose and his crew for their concrete work. If you're interested in his service, send us an email and I'll send you his number, and I'm sure he'd be happy to take a look at your project. This is Chuck with Apple Drains, Drainage Contractors, Charlotte, North Carolina.